Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Doge video update today. And tomorrow we're having election finally, and expect the election to make a very big difference in crypto, and we may actually start to see a very good time, one more time in crypto that we have missed so much. And I think we're very close to end the stage of all this depression, of all this anxiety that has been happened. I think a lot of people have already been checked out. I think a lot of people have lost faith in what crypto used to be, and this is just the time where it's actually about to get very interesting. All right, the thing is, Dogecoin here is doing something that I like to see a coin do. So you're moving up, coming down, moving up, coming down. I like it when you make this move up and you correct to the downside, because when you do corrections like this in the middle, right, you're making these movements and then you make corrections as well. These are very good indicator that the coin is performing so good. Without correction, your coins are not going to perform well to the upside, because to go up you need to come down. And why do you come down? You actually come down to get more liquidity, to get more people buying. You have resistance, you break it, you come down, you retest it, right? Everything actually goes smooth from this point onwards. Now on the daily as well, and the EMA is being turned on here. I'm just going to turn on the EMAs, and I actually see that Dogecoin has accepted its own fate for the bull cross. You had the bull cross right over here, moved up, came down, touched the 10 and the 20, moved up again, come down. You're touching the 10 and the 20 once again, and that's actually pretty good. That's really good to see. Now from here all the way back up again. Now in the next 11 hours 57 minutes, almost 12 hours more from now, we're about to see the closing of today's candle. Now if the green actually pushes up a little bit here to 15,965, we're going to have a bullish divergence. And having a bullish divergence above the 10 and the 20, that's really pretty bullish, right? That's actually going to mean that the buyers are pretty much on the favor, or let's say that the buyers are pretty much strong in this department, and the sellers are going to get a little bit more weak. Now in November, I do expect Dogecoin to kind of come up here, break above, and then November, then December, we start to continue to go up. And let me just tell you this, that once you do break above, once you make the break here, you're looking for a technical target all the way up to $0.74, because that's exactly where the technical target of the triangle is going to be, and hopefully break above the all-time high and then make it, and let's actually make a new all-time high. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.